Aloha everyone, my name is Dylan with Manoa Chocolate, and today's Craft Chocolate TV episode is going to be on what is cacao. And I've got a pod in front of me. This is a cacao pod or a cocoa pod. And this, quite simply, is a tropical fruit. And this is the primary ingredient that we make chocolate out of. And when I first was introduced to this was at a lab at the University of Hawaii, and I was fascinated by this. Couldn't believe that chocolate came from a fruit pod like this. I'd never seen it before, never had it before. And inside this pod is about 40 to 60 seeds. It's a thick wall that protects them. It's got this fleshy pulp around the seeds that is absolutely delicious. Everyone from the Mayans and the Aztec, they must have been absolutely obsessed. These cacao pods can range from the size of a pear, which is a lot of the wild cacao that we've seen, all the way up to as big as American footballs or rugby balls. It's wild. They can get absolutely huge. That is cocoa. This is what all of us as chocolate makers must begin with in some form to make chocolate bars. And we see the seeds. We don't see the cocoa pods if we're in chocolate factories as much. We're lucky in Hawaii because we do have quite a bit of cocoa, and that's growing more and more. But as chocolate makers, we use the seeds. So cacao is a fruit pod about the size that you see here in my hand. This is extremely average in the best sense of the word. This is a cocoa pod. I hope this has helped you guys understand chocolate and cacao better. See you next time. Aloha.